Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 14 July 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor, here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. So proceed towards today's session. This was our previous day questions. Our first question was World Population Day is observed on 10 July, 11 July, 12 July, 13 July. The correct answer here is option B, 11 July. On 11 July, World Population Day is observed. What is the theme of the 2020? Putting the brakes on COVID-19, safeguarding the health and rights of women and girls is the theme of World Population Day 2020. Our second question was, with whom Karnataka government tie up to promote art and craft? Amazon, Flipkart, Facebook, Twitter. The correct answer here is option B, Flipkart. With Flipkart, the Karnataka government tie up to promote art and craft. Flipkart is in news. Flipkart is established in 2007 and headquarters is in Bangalore, Karnataka, and Sachin Bansal and Bini Bansal is the founder of Flipkart, and Kalyan Krishnamurthy is now CEO of Flipkart. I hope you got the answer now. Next, proceed towards today's first question. Which day is famous as Malala Day? 11 July, 12 July, 13 July, 14th July. The correct answer here is option B, 12th July. 12th July is known as Malala Day. It is the birthday of Malala Yousafzai. You can see the image of Malala Yousafzai here. Who is Malala Yousafzai? Malala Yousafzai is a Nobel Prize winner in 2014. She was awarded with the Nobel Prize for Peace in 2014. On October 9, 2012, Malala was shot in the head by Taliban gunmen after she publicly advocated for the education of the girls. Okay, so she got the Nobel Prize in 2014 along with Kailash Satyarthi of India. Okay, next question. In which state the government will now run a Roko Toko campaign for those who do not wear mask? Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Jharkhand. The correct answer here is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Now Madhya Pradesh government start a Roko Toko campaign for those who do not wear mask. Okay, the capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Chief Minister is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Governor is Lalji Tandon. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. From which state Indian Railway has started special loaded train beyond the country border to Bangladesh? West Bengal, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar. The correct answer here is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is the correct here. For the first time, Indian Railway has loaded special parcel train beyond the country borders to Bangladesh with dry chili. Okay, it is started from Andhra Pradesh. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. Chief Minister is Jagan Mohan Reddy and Governor is Biswabhushan Harishchandran. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong win the general election of which country? Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Japan. The correct answer here is option B, Singapore. Recently, Lee Hsien Loong win the general election of the Singapore and become the Prime Minister of Singapore. Okay, the capital of Singapore is Singapore City. Currency is Singapore dollar. Singapore dollar is the currency of Singapore. President is Hamid Yaqub and national sports of the Singapore is football. National sports is football. I hope you got the answer now. Question number 5. An e-Lok Adalat was held in which state? Punjab, Haryana, Chhattisgarh, Odisha. The correct answer here is option C, Chhattisgarh. An e-Lok Adalat was held in Chhattisgarh on 11 July 2020. Over 3,000 cases were heard in more than 200 branches of various districts across the state. Okay. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Naya Raipur. Chief Minister is Bhupesh Baghel and Governor is Anusuya Ukle. Anusuya Ukle is the Governor of Chhattisgarh. Next question. Who won the Shrine Grand Prix 2020? Lewis Hamilton, Fernando Alonso, Max Verstappen. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Lewis Hamilton. Option A is correct here. Lewis Hamilton cruised to a victory in the Shrine Grand Prix 2020. Okay, this is the 85th win of his career. It is the 85th win of his career. Okay, you can see the image of the Lewis Hamilton here. Question number 7. Avadh bin Hassan Yame passed away. In which year he got Helpful Citizen Award by a Gujarati magazine? The correct answer here is option B, 1993. On 1993, Avadh bin Hassan Jami got the Helpful Citizen Award by a Gujarati magazine. He recently passed away. He is very famous, renowned cartoonist. Okay, and he is popularly known as Jami. I hope you got the answer now. You can see the image of the Avadh bin Hassan Jami here. Okay, a very famous cartoonist of Gujarat. Question number 8. Asia Cup Cricket Tournament 2020 postponed to which year? 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. The correct answer here is 2021. Asian Cricket Council ACC has announced to postpone the Asia Cup Cricket Tournament until June 2021 due to COVID-19 pandemic. Okay. Who allowed the launch of Corona Kavach insurance policies? Minister of Finance, IRDAI, Niti Aayog, none of these. The correct answer here is IRDAI. Abbreviation of IRDAI is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. What is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India is the abbreviation of IRDAI. General and Health Insurance Company has received the approval from IRDAI to launch the short-term Corona Kavach insurance policies. Okay. Question number 10. Who is among the following Chief Minister honored with Paul Harris Fellow recognition by Rotary International Chicago? Naveen Patnaik, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Uddhav Thackeray, E.K. Palaniswamy. The correct answer here is option D, E.K. Palaniswamy, Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, honored with the Paul Harris Fellow recognition by Rotary Foundation of Rotary International Chicago. This award is honored for providing drinking water, sanitation, prevention of disease, environment, and world peace to their public. Okay, E.K. Palaniswamy is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Okay. Naveen Patnaik is the Chief Minister of Odisha. Shivraj Singh Chauhan is the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, and Uddhav Thackeray is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. I hope you got the answer now. This is our question of the day. You have to answer it in the comment box, and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Our first question is, which country recently banned all news channels of India except Doordarshan? Our second question is, which Indian cricketer is accused of conflict of interest recently? Please try to answer more in comment section. Okay. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Thank you for watching.